Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this video I'll be showing you how to do a drape on the off shoulder sleeve, that band that we have there. I have another video on how to sew this bustier blouse and do the drape on the shoulder, that's on the yoke. I'll be dropping it later on the channel. If you are new to the channel, please kindly subscribe. For all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for staying with me on this channel and encouraging me to continue. Okay, let's get started. Alright, so I cut a doll face of the length of the band. That's I'm using unfold 4 plus seam allowance 1, that's 10 when you open it. Then the wideness is 3 inches because I need ½ inch to sew it on both sides. So I cut 2 pieces, one for the lining and one for the fabric. So right now I place the net on it and then I'll be pinning it and be draping. I'll be draping it as you will see.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what, if you're stupid then you know there's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
So the draping depends on how wide you want it to be, but this one the distance is just about ½ inch and ½ inch, so it's fine like that. So I'm going to be draping till the end. You can see that I'm pinning at the middle point also just to stabilize, and then I pinned at the extremes, the 2 extremes. So I'm pinning the 2 extremes and the midpoint, okay, to keep it down.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed.
going to cut off the excess at the sides, and then I'm going to be placing the lining on it. Then you sew the up and the sides, sew the up and down, and then one of the sides. You can leave one side in order to bring it out from that side. Okay, so I've sewn it and I left one side, so I'm bringing it out from that side, and the side that is opened. Okay, so this is how it is. Now it's just for you to fix it to, like this now is like a band. So like I said, unfold is 4 inches plus 1 inch sewing allowance, or 1.5, so that will be 10 inches or 11 inches when you open it up. So now for the main person's body to be like 8, depending, some is 9. Okay, so this is the outcome of it, and it came out very beautiful. I'll be dropping the video of this blouse also later. Thank you.